All right, kindergartners, today we're going to be doing our April calendar. So you're going to need to gather some supplies to start. First, print your 2 pages from the lesson attachment for today, your butterfly and your calendar. Then you're going to need your scissors, a couple crayons, and a glue stick if you have it. And if you have a big piece of construction paper to put your calendar pieces on, great. If not, you can just hang them somewhere separately, the picture and the calendar page, wherever you want to put them in your house. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the pattern that I want to have my letters and numbers be. Remember, you can choose an A-B pattern where you use 2 colors. You could do an ABC pattern where you use 3 colors, or even an ABCD pattern where you use 4 colors. Just remember, patterns repeat. So whatever pattern you choose, you need to stick with that pattern for the whole calendar. So I picked a purple and a blue crayon for my pattern. I'm going to do an AB pattern, and I'm going to start with purple and then blue. Purple and blue. Purple and blue. And keep going until I've filled in my whole calendar. All right, now that I'm done with my pattern for my numbers, I'm gonna go ahead and move my calendar page aside and start working on coloring my butterfly. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way and bring this one a little bit closer. I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing my very best kindergarten coloring. And the nice thing is that butterflies can be any color because we can use our imagination there, but I am really trying to stay in the lines, doing my best work. All right, I'm all done with my coloring. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my butterfly, and then I'll glue my calendar and my butterfly to my big piece of construction paper. Grab my scissors, try and stay on that thick black line, turning my paper as I go. Slowing down as I get to the smaller parts. All right, almost done. All right, put my trash to the side, and I'm gonna take my big piece of construction paper, if you have it. If you don't, again, you can just put this on your wall somewhere else. And then I'm gonna use my glue stick, and I'm gonna glue it on there. So turn my picture over. Just gonna go around the edge of my butterfly. You don't have to paint with the glue stick. You don't need that much glue. And then put my butterfly at the top. Turn my calendar over. Again, just going around the edge of that paper. And then maybe just a little bit of extra. I'll do an X in the center. And put it on my big piece of construction paper. And voila, there's my April calendar. All right, we're gonna play a game of Guess My Number, but we're gonna play it a little bit differently today. I'm going to be giving you some clues, and then you are going to try and guess my number. Normally you would ask me questions, but we have to change it a little bit. All right, so first clue is that it has 2 digits. It's a 2-digit number. So think to yourself, what numbers could you cross out or cover up that are not 2-digit numbers? All right, next clue. The first digit in the number is a 1. Your tens digit is a 1. So again, think to yourself, what numbers could you get rid of that don't have a 1 as their first digit? Next clue, the second digit is an even number. All right, so looking at those numbers that you've narrowed it down to, it's an even number. Next clue, it's a number between 14 and 17. Getting smaller, fewer numbers to choose from. Here's your final clue, mathematicians. It is the answer to the equation 7 plus 7. Did you guess my number? That's right, my number is 14. Good job.